radio from 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Getting your morning inspired, be informed. Let's interact only on the morning drive. Make it a date with Martin, aka Metal, on M1 and 103.5 FM from Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. on the morning drive.
103.5FM.
Good morning and welcome to Ebona 103.5 FM. Today, the 28th day of November 2024. Today is a Thursday and the time is 2 minutes past the hour of 7. It's time for newspaper headlines on Ebona 103.5 FM. This morning we are going to take you through the news making headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Please stay with us.
And you know that you have the right. The National Broadcasting Commission states any person who observes or organization and brings by content of the broadcast or the conduct of the broadcast system is known to consent to the station or has to the Director General, the National Broadcasting Commission, number 3, Ibrahim Harry Street, Kasiko, Abuja, or in any their info are NGC safeguarded page. Please ensure that the company is in name of the broadcast station, title of the program, date and time of program, and address of the company. Also, remember to include your name, address, phone number, email, and a bank signature. Note that the company won't be able to NBC for any open data of the various broadcasts and industry. You're right to quality broadcasting.
You're welcome back to newspaper headlines on Ebona 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on The Guardian, Leadership, Vanguard, Punch, Daily Post, The Nation. This day, and if time permits, we are also going to take a look at the Nigerian Tribune newspapers. Remember that you can become part of the conversation by sending your reactions via SMS or WhatsApp messages on 08065796599. You can as well send SMS to 081 3839 77 or 081 39256742. I am Martin. Let's get started with the Guardian newspaper this morning. Ahmadu Bello University decries 310 million naira per session electricity bill. 98 PAP delegates complete maritime skills training. Obasanjo, Jonathan, Akume, others to grace Anyanwu's book launch. Experts link drop in petroleum prices to forest. Others. Police arraign three over alleged illegal tax collection in Kogi. Dawn raises alarm as diabetes cases surge, may rise to 783 million naira by 2045. Panic as tanker spills diesel on Lagos highway. Jubilation as Rivers pays workers 85,000 naira minimum wage. Oyebanji unveils therapy center for children with disabilities. Court remands Bello, two others over alleged 110 billion naira fraud. Transport-related accidents cause most children's deaths, Lagos declares. Obeburu laments deplorable conditions of schools. ARG, Human Rights Writers Association, commend the reopening of Port Harcourt refinery. NMCO partners DSS for cybersecurity training to booster online operations. Customs seizes 81.5 million naira smuggled goods in Adamawa. Major marketers lift over 2 million liters of petrol daily from Dangote refinery. Community protests road design, flooding in rivers. Gani Adams laws Lagos State University's initiative for sustaining Yoruba language. Senate committee worries over 1.6 trillion naira debt owed Ebin power. I created more states to douse fear of northern domination, says